I feel like I'm missing somebody in the shot.
That's more dangerous.
Oh, hey, Phoenix.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to Safeway.
We're going shopping.
We're all going grocery shopping.
We're going grocery shopping, and I'm gonna.
We're not splitting up for
Yeah,
once.
but you can lay in their lap. Look, let's see if this. There you go.
You're gonna lay down? Oh my God.
How's
This
your
is
back
fucked.
support? Oh wow.
That's not my knee.
That's perfect. You're fucking stupid.
That's not my knee.
Oh my God.
Can we go?
Yeah. This is chaotic, but we're getting shit done.
A lot.
Slowly but surely.
Hello.
What up?
We're shopping.
What up,
I'm gonna
peeps?
get mimosas.
Mimosas. Oh, you got the poutine fries?
People keep coming and going in the group.
We got hot dog buns, but no hot dogs.
Do you like pierogies?
We got probably.
Phoenix. All right, we got the booze. It was this might get us drunk. I don't know. Iso, how much did this cost? You're on the prices right.
Yes. Yep. Alone? Over $100.
No more.
200.
Yeah, it was over 200.
Okay.
We're gonna get drunk.
It was
But
at 260, but then he
We
swiped
had
the
a rewards card.
And he saved like $50.
We saved like $50.
That's a good deal. We got to make Hank proud.
And Kevin Kieran's. Still doing
Yeah, he's got a dude.
POV, you're hatched
got me talking
in the
about
back of
burritos.
Stone's car. Oh my God. And it's bumpy.
He is bumpy.
Stone.
Stone.
What's up?
Wow. And then extra. Let's go meta.
What is that?
They're just eating. It's a deer.
What is that?
What is it? What is it?
What?
That one's name is Bruce. That one's Bucket.
It's the members who didn't come.
And the
their souls.
little one's Justin, because he's a guest.
I was filming the deer through your camera.
That's what I was doing. I was wanting to go meta with it, so I filmed it through your camera.
Oh my God. You doing all right, Riley?
Fuck.
Successful grocery trip. Woo!
Yes. I hear bugs. I hear bugs. When I walked into a spider web, it was awful.
You like bugs?
I was a spider! I heard all of y'all from
Mina, what are you doing down there? Hiking? Taking a river hike?
Hi, Erin. Hi, Stone.
Hi. We got people on multiple levels here.
Oh, there's two of you out there now. I can't believe you.
So they're making food for us up there. Oh my God. Mina, you're packing. Oh my God. That is so big. That's like 2.5 meters high. My foot slipped. Oh. Oh my God.
What bugs do you guys want?
What? Potato. We're team potato down here. What are you hoping to accomplish?
I don't know, but we're gonna do it. Can you see my stick yet?
We've always seen your stick. I'll take a picture from up here.
It's a good size comparison.
Put your hands up.
If I do that, I'll drop this.
Your other hand.
Does my hand need to be up?
Right here.
We need to compare you two.
Is everyone okay?
Mina's going down the river.
Oh.
Wow. It's like a 3-pointer. I really thought you were going to jump on the stick for a second.
And I could have died.
Hi, Stone.
Hi.
Hello. She's right here. Looks bigger when you're up close to it. Whoa.
Alright, welcome to Stone's Kitchen. Tonight, on the menu,
Bluetooth connected.
poo time. Show the fries.
Look at the fries. Nom, nom, nom.
Beautiful, beautiful. So we got cheese, we got gravy, and we got french fries. So we're going to have some burgers and poutine. Yay.
You grilling?
I need that spatula.
There's one right there.
Oh, look at that.
Amazing.
We got a whole setup.
Look at these lights.
We got a scraper. I need to not wear this coconut bra.
Why not?
I don't know. It's not really feeling it. We need to figure out those lights.
Yeah, the bar lights.
Is that what this is?
Hi, Riley.
Oh, hey. What's up? Oh, the Phoenix up there. Hello.
I shall follow this cord.
Where?
I disappeared again.
Oh, they do plug in.
Mina.
I said check the green.
Where are you?
They plugged in.
Hold on.
Yeah, these
Right here.
They start there.
Okay, we got Beyond Burger.
They're on.
Wait
They
there.
just stop halfway through.
Is this full?
Sharp cheddar. Wait, where's the Peppy Jack?
Oh god, this was this on?
Excuse me? Stone?
I don't hear propane. Yeah. So where's the pepper jack?
Where's the Peppy Jack?
Hey.
Excuse me.
Can you right this second? Yes.
No.
You're supposed to say yes.
Yes.
Hey. What's up?
Making poutine.
Poutine?
Living it up. Got some gravy.
Got some gravy right
Got
there.
some mozzarella.
Got some cheese. Not
And-
curd, sadly, but you know.
And some fry.
Oh, and some fry. That's a lot of fry.
That's a lot of fry for 6 people.
That's a lot of fry. What drink you got?
Mike's Hard Pineapple Strawberry.
Ooh,
It's very
that's
good.
nice. Here, let me go and ta-da! Coffee. Got some stuff down there. Wow, I think
I don't know.
is that Stones?
I guess so.
Pierogies. A lot of sodies up here. Some American sodies. Some Coca-Cola sodies. Look at all that stuff. Phenomenal. We got Bon over there. Fuck! Oh my god. Focus on him. Hey, Stone. I don't think he heard me. Hey, Hatched.
Hello.
What's up?
Cheese did Phoenix?
Hi, Stone. What's up?
Did they say what cheese she wanted?
She did, but I don't remember.
Where is she?
She want cheddar?
I think she does it. Over. That part of the grill was just crazy.
Do you think there's too much gravy? No.
No.
Not at all.
You should use all the gravy. It's supposed to be loaded.
Okay. It's a nice drip.
That is some good poutine B-roll. Ooh.
How's that burger?
This burger's so good, it doesn't even need condiments.
Grilling complete. First dinner. We're good to go. What are we missing? Yeah.
It's one of those things where you're like, how does American nut also?
Yeah?
How's your day been?
And what do you offer to this group? Hey, I like that. Yeah.
You didn't pay for that.
My day's been good. How's yours?
My day's been really good.
Are you having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
What's your favorite part?
Today, what did I enjoy today? I've enjoyed the drive. The drive here was really nice.
It's pretty,
It
right?
was really beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, you can tell that I'm like taken in by something when I don't talk a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Oh, I saw a shooting star.
You did?
Yes, I felt so lucky.
Oh, wow.
Like, she was mid-sentence, and I was like, I just saw a shooting star. I was like, I feel so bad, but like I
awesome.
was so excited.
It's hard to pick a favorite moment. It's all been like fucking ace.
Good. I'm glad.
Been the best.
What do you think about her?
Is she voted?
This doesn't make any sense to me.
Hello? 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 What was that about?
Do you know what's going on?
Don't ask me.
Do you know what's going on with Stone right now? He walked away. I don't know. He's acting weird.
Was he went to go take his medicine?
He handed me the phone and just, I don't know. Aaron,
Said vlog.
what do you think?
Of
Stone.
him in general?
Sure.
Tell him he's a swell fella, like I did with Justin.
He's like a 7.
He's like a good.
Oh, you're getting number rating?
He's like
Can we watch Spider-Man?
It's like a 7?
It's the original Spider-Man.
The duck of shame.
Where?
I still don't think there's anything shameful about that. Oh, he's coming.
Where's everybody?
Out in the other room?
I need everybody gathered.
Okay.
Today is a special day. I gathered you all here for a reason.
Isil's birthday?
Oh, there you go. Okay.
I'm about to murder all of you.
Oh wait, no, I did.
Oh.
Oh, we're the ghosts.
Oh, he's actually going.
Your face.
Oh my
You look a little scary
concerned.
right now.
So this has been an amazing trip. And Hatched and Phoenix specifically, you guys have been awesome. And I got a little something for you guys.
Is it a gun?
A little something special.
The gun to the fucking noggin.
Bigfoot's out here. I've been waiting to play Mad
Yeah,
Libs. It's setting up a lot
I
of
just
attitudes.
wanted to see the black face.
That's not 2021.
I wanted this whole time for the black.
Got it!
Oh, Jesus.
Phoenix, I kind of consider you the salt of the group. As in, I'm saying that from a chef's perspective, where you take flavors that are great and you fucking enhance them. It's awesome. And yeah, you guys have been amazing. And just yesterday, I called for a vote. The votes are in.
They're all no.
Don't forget. Hold on. Don't forget the clause to my vote.
There's a clause?
Oh yeah, Hatched, you're in.
There's a
No,
Mina clause?
reversed.
Phoenix, you're in. Hatched, you're.
You're on the
I'm
fence.
gonna go drown in the river.
Anyway, I just want to say welcome to the road trip, Hatched and Phoenix. The votes are in. You guys are officially members. You guys are amazing, and I can ask for better friends in this group. And you guys really fucking deserve it. And yeah.
You're gonna make Phoenix cry.
Are you okay, Aaron?
No, I'm just not great.
You're signing the guest section, by the way, just to be clear.
The VIP?
That's not true.
I want to look through here.
It's quite the artifact. It's delicate. Be careful.
So is there more black?
Stop!
I saw it in the video and I was like, oh, I love it.
Yeah, there's a lot of names in there. There is Bucket's brother. This is G, I believe. That's Asian James.
Oh, is
That's
there a yellow
Faye.
man on the front?
No, this is the guest, or it's just VIP.
Got you.
But official members sign
Is it
down
Patrick or Dakota? Oh, it's Dakota.
You
Yeah,
guys like
it's
mine?
I do.
I like her.
Was this mail
Did you mail that
in?
No.
No, she
That was-
signed it when she was in Texas.
Yeah. Christmas in Texas.
Back to my movies. I got Spider-Man's out.
I don't need the duck of shame anymore.
Oh, you're still
Welcome to the road trip.
Now I'm just shameful of all the racism. Where do I want to sign?
Sign your name away to
I
racism.
have to sign next to Bruce. Boop. Oh, we're gonna do a little Little flare.
Welcome to the road trip, buddy.
Oh, I didn't spit.
GG, guys. We are officially up to 8 members.
Ooh, getting those numbers
That's the most
back
we've had in
up.
a while, yeah. Fucking get them up there.
Next
GG,
year we'll be
guys.
back to 4.
GG.
Which of us will fall?
So who's leaving?
We have been kicked out of the cabin. We're stranded.
We don't know where the fuck we are.
Where the fuck I am.
Ah,
I want to go home.
help us.
Alright, Stone, give us a noun.
Dadinky.
It's with a C, by the way.
Aaron, give us a part of the body pluralized.
Toes of the fish for that one. Hairs.
Mmm.
My adventures as a foreign Aaron. This is an exciting and eggy made-for-TV movie that takes place during the time of World War XVI.
World War 69. Wow.
World War 69.
Nice.
We give it a rating of 3 toes.
Oh, that's pretty high.
Friday, 7:30 p.m. Happy.
Happy what now?
Sorry, happy poops.
Happy poops.
When an old high school
Say that again.
Come on, you gotta commit.
Sorry, I'm weak. When an old high school dadinky
The dinky?
Dadinky?
welcomes him with open arm hairs and throws him a red party. I seen that on
Ooh.
Game of Thrones. That's not good. This puts Mina, his former ISO friend.
Oh, what happened between you two?
He's asleep.
Oh, no longer friends.
No longer friends.
Into a bad state of head.
Oh no.
Saturday,
Oh no.
10 p.m. Where have all the boxes gone?
Wow.
This dusty thriller by the lumpy director Colin
No, no.
Why you lumpy, bro?
is about a Manhattan bumblebee
I would write that down.
I like that.
searching for a missing person in a small poutine.
Alright. It's just me right now, but everyone went to bed. I just had to end the vlog. I just took a shower and I look fucking beat. Oh my god. That was a long, crazy day. It was very fucking fun. And cabin is definitely a success. I like my room. And we gained 2 members, so GG day 2.
Brain blast.
They locked me out! Have I been banned? Who did that? What the hell? Who banned me? Did you ban me?